Kapalbhati, and the fourth pranayam is called Anulom Vilom. Why I am taking both the names together? Because these two are the key pranayams, Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom. How this is called key pranayam? The reason is, if you do Kapalbhati, all your organs will become healthy. What happens? Whatever fat and impurities and dirt, whatever has got stuck up in your organs, which is creating all the problems, organ related problems, will slowly get melted and get detached from the organs, and organs will become free, and they will again start behaving, they will again start functioning as per their original design. So the moment they will start functioning, all the organs will start functioning as per its original design, all the problems related to organs will slowly vanish. Only the thing is, you have to do Kapalbhati 15 minutes continuously and Anulom Vilom also 15 minutes continuously. So initially, maybe it is not possible for you to do continuously 15 minutes, but slowly, you have to come to this stage. Suppose you have started from today, then maybe after 40 jerks, 45 jerks, what is Kapalbhati? That also I will explain. It is basically exhale with a jerk, like this. So initially, the solidified fat which is stuck up on your organs will oppose it. Some pain will also come in your stomach. So don't get afraid of that. If pain comes, means it's a good sign that fat is trying to get melted. Fat is trying to get detached. That's why the pain is coming. So it's not a bad sign, it's a good sign. Only the thing is, you will not be able to continue because pain will be slowly increasing. So what you have to do, suppose in 40 or 50 you have stopped, relax for some time, again start doing it, again reach to 50, 40, whatever, then again relax, again start doing it. So finally you have to do 15 minutes even by breaking also, so that slowly it becomes continuous 15 minutes. Then some rules has to be followed also. Exhale with a jerk in 1 second, means in 1 minute 60 times. 50 to 70 is in the acceptable zone. So exhale with a jerk like this. I will show you 10 to 15 times so that you can realize how to do it. So I am now starting Kapalbhati. Exhale with a jerk. In 1 second once, in 1 minute 60 times. So if you do continuously for 15 minutes, it will be 900 times. So 900 times you give a jerk to all your organs. Slowly all the fat stuck up on it will get melted and the organs will start functioning as per their original design again. The moment your pancreas starts functioning as per its original design, slowly diabetes will go. So for diabetic patients, Kapalbhati is the need of the day, because diabetes is like white ant in the wood. It eats total wood internally. Same way diabetes eats all your organs internally, slowly, and you become very vulnerable. You again COVID has started, so you will be seeing some people started dying again. The reason is they are so weak from inside that any attack they are not able to survive. So again, this is very effective for diabetes. 15 minutes continuously if somebody starts doing, I am telling you 99% chances are there that diabetes will go. Only the thing is, you have to do it continuously, you have to take it daily like medicine. Within 3 months, you will feel the vast difference, and your medicine will, for organ related medicines, will almost become minimal or nil also. But only the thing is, you have to do it 15 minutes continuously daily without fail. The way you are not leaving any medicines, lifetime disease medicines, same way if you don't leave Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom for a single day, I am telling you within 3 months you will become totally healthy. So this is called Kapalbhati.